Amu discover. Se scanner body ani amumi ehu kakura abano. Ni enkwadi esika. Se dem di kaka se 10 kilos square na nansa me hospital scabi akokura manya no. 5 bags ni kwa dem nkan wasem. Enti ese abano. Se ye nya brepa akuafo wo hwe yi a da bi e beko enkoto dwan mu anase ye beko efombia ye be buru nunua. Ye be buru nunua. Obi se wadi disappoint ye. Wadi e homo. Se de obaka ani e to abama no nan na wudi to. Enti ese abano se ai akuafo yani amu oman ya yi oman amu oman ya nimje omu nyina akwati ejajo akuafo oba disappoint ye ya yan ya bobo mpa ye menyankupo atua aka ye ba sa di abosum ni enua na ewe enfuo mu no ata brul ya eti mahama mpani wasam a ya 3100 no fama yan odu ampa bia nkan wa ye ni ni asem na mo mi ya 3100 de onko ade enchi akadi ye ni ni asem ya na ma
enka NDC aban enka maso mo lai enwa so na ma fra bodamfo wo kroma nyina mo mmuro mo ma
de o ma bon na ye kasa o mo nte no
oh the whole bad the whole brutal
sami wo tumi no a akokraba ye man say NDC aban ke de o mo nyina salai atofo asenom ne o mo keka ho na mo da enwa so ka bia nko ka bia ma abodamfo mo mra emma ne mu mmiri mo
ne ka na da ho do
because o man dada Ghana for o man dada cocoa farmers in Ghana.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
And some who are saying, hey, o man tuni yadi.
Hey,
yam pay for ne bi antuni ye.
De o ma bon na ye kasa o mo nte no.
Na ye ka cocoa emwa de boa Ghana. Ebi andisi nim, ebi on person bo akuafo na po.
The mabani on dwene kwafo mo ho.
Cocoa nkwa sector no I contribute to about 10% of our GDP.
sure.
Ye 2 million ya tresie.
Sure.
Enyambo akwase a.
Sure.
Ye GDP as a country cocoa nkwa I contribute to about 10%.
Even this foolishness, it is foolishness.
And who pay the pillar of the national economy ye cocoa.
And I don't know can you see.
Lagos University 1948 cocoa yi and ye di see Lagos University see ho. Akoso modam cocoa ya buidam cocoa sikaka ho omon kasa meboa.
Hey, oh the whole bad the whole brutal
Akoba Ghana enye sika kra na fibia no yetumi nya 1.7 to 2 billion dollars from cocoa.
Shenia kasa
Revenue.
sure.
Sika cocoa di mayen.
Shenia kasa
Fibia no nya hwe kra no yetumi nya 1.7 to 2 billion dollars from cocoa.
ne ka na da ho do
Na nipa no a wokoye adwuma ama cocoa na ba ama oman Ghana ye revenue atimi akosoro yetimi abo ho bra ya ya kwan amanfo nya nsuo amanfo nya nkanea bibia totom no wo se bi mu wo ye border.
hey hey President Mahama
Sanya ban boni aban ben ne ben sa de wi sanya ban boni enya bro enya tutubotom aban enya bayi a sade we enkoso.
The mabani on dwene kwafo mo ho.
Enti bra me tesa ato forcing
ne ka na da ho
ebe ye press conference am so ye beti asempa.
oh
Amra me that am so cocoa farmers in come akoma yem.
Wait.
Because ye beti asempa. Na asempa ni way we kura ya tamma cocoa farmers in Ghana.
Wait, boy.
Ye were cocoa farmers about 1 million Ghana. Cocoa farmers in Kwao 1 million. Omo dependents. Akwabeka dependents no a. Omo cocoa farmers ni didie mo mu bidie. Omo ma, omo busuafo close to 2 million.
and I don't know can you see.
And it's a one for buo amma the ordinary cocoa farmer. That means a one for buo money pa 3 million. Our Ghana.
O can we know so one tias here there on
We are Ghana near Timmy.
Wait.
The NDC abane yano. Nipa be 3 million. Our Ghana. Wo mumo.
hey
One for mo nya hwe.
hey
A put on the mo ya den.
hey you're a Mahama
Na ewiase no ha ubu koto kwase ano. Ampa fo mo fancha me na nyame hwoto.
acquire John
Am ya John. Akwaba
John
woni bibi. Ato forcing. And during campaign time. Wabana so ya cocoa farmers one. Was some be increase cocoa price. cocoa farmers be the 6,500
The map
and the more pay back
The mabani
and one chief fertilizer yabemo mu free ato force be kan yo and one cha to force say sabi omo cocoa no ye prunia kwasi bro ni kase ye prunia ye tete wo sere be cocoa no betimi aso akatin sisu a aban ne be free asamba ko kan ni say cocoa farmers ne ma no ye be send lo ma ko school free ana nyame se wo twia ato force wo twia no gina ho na twen
na pedi for to be chat for sir
promises or the man no konabo tape ato force ye tumre na ye kiresi ye me ba cho ye ntie ato force in opposition the okai say ndc aban ba yama cocoa farmers nebra
inti abana agba na mbom da mabani di ni tirimi ye zendodo
Wei.
da mabani ondwene kwafo mo ho
Wei.
da me pada me ka kira mo inde President Mahama se men kan kira mo de
Wei.
oy nyame na duma NDC baba bem na ye ba bem akoko no ye botum papa bi ma ma akoma atomo yem na enya de ye tum keke fertilizer and ye baba bi o ye ba ma mu free koko akwan ye botwa ne free spray ye de ba ma mu free ye de momba boko school so aka ho adi bi o safata bi o de ye bia ye be ya ma koko kwafo we sand Ghana enye Ghana be ye Ghana ofi koko na ansa ne ye baba be me fitin de kop me de time wo to aba NDC MPs a me da ya me da wan no ye pede ye hye mo bode ye bokodo na ya ko ama mo 15 million na abador fa no what mo aza abramo ye bokko ama mo ibina mo amon de hye King Solomon erikopoku wa baba ka kire mo wa no ize oyena hyese da wa ka kiribia ye beye na ye da atuada mo
na pedi for to be chat for sir
me ba cho we ya honorable ato force in opposition papa we ene ko gina ho dwana num cocoa farmers ma ye do me ko school free
da mabani ondwene kwafo mo ho
hey omu cocoa no si abetete ho ababa tete ni free fertilizer ya betete ni free cocoa boa ade ya me ya titu ato force ho no sa no kra no ya be ma musikabum 6,500 na utna se na ye nipa boni sem se ya wakatua wosoro apaba some utna se na utimi dada triki nipa ska mi nipa say kama na de beji tumi ya I'm telling and this is a 1-1 omakatua wosoro momon fani sa nyabtra momon fani sa sabi omabugana fo kwaseafo na omanya tumi o ya nya kwaseafo
Ye kan we aso be reset o man.
na de besi bia ye
ana pɛ de ana no ka no
Nyankopon de na wo pe na abamu no wo pese o makoko farmers hu se aban na mo to aban ma no wo ya aban bone wo ba kombede mo oba ma djuma abesai
da mabani ondwene kwafo mo ho
chacha busiamfo nyina ema busiamfo nyina akwaba sononko de mobile ras media so ene anwumre yi ya sign ababiem ya pro emenenom ai abusia ayede pa ye because ene the Ghana cocoa farmers atinkensen kra na wo de mesin krofo we wo hu mi ya o se Anthony mi mo akwaba omo ho esere ye pa omo ho esere enti e ma me kan show so omo ho esere ne se kwan omo fase yo munyuma in opposition no omo ba power no I the same thing and omo ye enti propaganda no doso and enti from the certain government settings and omo ye apart from this be omudi intro etwa nkontompodua wonanum ye ene kire yen ema amanfo di so kwoto aba ede che John somra meye president no there are other matters mi abema NDC for a proto a very very dangerous temi yepa ene ya me no kasa yi niema ekoso enye niema keto o niema ekoso wo man no a enya adepa aban boni ehun sunsuanso a amanfo efam ewo man no enye kitikito edoso pa in many sectors. But another akwa say that propaganda machinery na nkrofo omutumi building opposition etimi di ntro ekire wiase amansan nyina no sese kura na omo power no they are using the same mechanism said the beya de ekoso wo manum no enipa aso ente debie ando memo akwa bapa temi yepa enkrofo we etumi abo omo ho modene atumi ne media houses ahodo e wo man no mu nyina asofofo ahemfo Richard Makwabafa Council of Elders we say charismatic leaders wanyo enkrofo a almost before be brother na do tia konwa so na omo anu eduru dwem na omo kasa yie da bi omo TV so ni radio so social media so bash the system no enkrofo we atimi abo modern akata won nyina eso enkrofo we atumi edisika enkrofo we atumi disika asai Ghana fo mpanfo we num nyina adwene amene nsema ekoso wo manum no obia ni ho asebio ofa esi ne ho so se obo ho dawro e di akire amansan and I'm very serious temi pa ye mame akuya Monica be mo akwaba asem we ya eye about mechanic say kokwa akuafo for example emaye nye yadwene say kokofo omo asem no eye February we mu ena ye ntua won ka o bachote mi yepa I want to go deep into the system nana kwabra me mo akwaba kokwa akuafo hawo no shall October 2025 and a cocoa quia for shasia or more experience unpaid cocoa and this year buying a toy at the free one chain. Now so and crofo to be born Mohammed Ekata so edisie ye emu aso a enkopem 2026 February a sabio kokwa akuafo no binom ehera nante ye eko MPP aban MPP parliamentary candidates ahodo ho se omonka omo asem no ebi emfa mo yemfa no nto nchen ansa na yembra. What does this mean? From 2025 October, Emra Mepim February 2026, 6 good months of governance, 6 good months of life. Easy. So 4 months of life. 4 months. So 4 months we are here came. The main season of cocoa farmers sabre no na cocoa farmers sabio omo adwuma omo aye na afini nyina no omo hu so emfa so yie pa October omo shasi August mu honom September kakra instituto October na wia no mu apie November no omo te omo binom omo te cocoa kese pa no November mu honom omo te dia bigger part no enti we say we adwuma afemu no nyina ye jalu kwaku apia me am akwa aba party has been very long bibi ekoye pa jaru ciao fratero enkrofo mo ti koko a mo koko fu akese no November December mu January beginning of January new year no and o mon sakom musika kase e wa adwuma o mo aye ne wo the whole year no mu nyina eye saa bosumi a mabobodini mu e na koko akuafo binom etuatua won ho ka o mo abobo in the past abra na o mo de train the main season no Sabre na koko akuafo binom tonuane totɔ ne mabro nyantade bro nyampaboa de ma omo mantoma ede ma omo yire na omo manom sabre no mu na the whole year no adwumaden papa bi maami bi abusua bi aye no koko mfuo mu no sabre no mu ena ne nsaka na katua. Now I want to draw your attention on something. Temi yepa. Ghana koko akuafo se de ye nwa bono hene ka ye. Omo ye directory. A omo koko mfuo ma omo ye adwuma. Omo ye 1 million. Over 1 million people and omo ye adwuma wa afuo ma. Omo adwuma omo ye no wa afuo ma ne se omo ye cocoa farmers. And you say enipa 1 million. And this ya buying eye one yakayaka dear. Enipa 1 million na omo ye direct say ye din kai for won wo fa ase nkrofo a sa papafo we support won nkrofo a papafo we di onko school nkrofo papa we di papafo we num di omko sabio ye hwe omo okwan bi so ye do omo nyina ka ho omo ko be 3-4 million people. What I want you to understand is say and this ya buying to me can sa nipa 1 million na omo ye direct no in cocoa farmer no otimi ka omo ano tum a omo anum asem ampia bontene da for 4 good months. I want to draw your attention to something. Enam state capture eye the NDC abanye ye nene. Enam state capture omo sha ase di free radio station ni media house so a omo ye mane so CD enti no Ghana koko akuafo 1 million esugun wo yam posome 9 sa posome 9 ni nyina no Ghana ni bia anteda say Ghana koko akuafo yentua won kan fama ho. To tell you say nipa 1 million po ena yetumi aka won anum kasa ahye wonyam say nipa 1 million no musu ni omo eyawdie abanfo we timi ka hye omo yam abra obi ante wonka. Now think about one single person bia yede at the bunny be 18 no ewo kwan bi so temi yepa oman na yetimu ene no yes sign akoyachi we are going backwards. Na me no ka say the rate growth of our country no ana na do jamu ija na 5.7 ananka yewe senke beko 7 point something no. And na me no ka say and this abanya project 3.7 chese bibi ekonachi bibi ayeden ekonachi. We are to a point to say untumi nka wasem emma nipa nte wasem because Nkrofo na yesi from the fourth pillar of the state. How the media houses are. Their duty is to be neutral. Na nkomo beka no kore wo mu e de a kire o man ma no. Ombeba amanfo nsem hu dawroma amanfo nkaifo ate no. Sa nkrofo no nyina no abanfo wei atumi di bibia hye wonanum ama ene. Enipa 1 million omodo kokofuo. And this yaban echi esisiri won. E posome e nan omo anum asem ba akokora no obi bia ni ho oteye. Enkopem say the minority MPs are omo parliament. Omo di omo ho jim ansana nipa da sani e sha ase ete de sabio koku akuafo omo oman num omo fam. And I say one wine na waka say komfo ne seko. One wine. Nampa na nado danko akufo ado pa na te akonwa so. Na nka yentua kokwa akuafo ka in the month of December. Say yes, Nanado, ye president of the republic. Ye kona ye kwa kudi bronya. Nanado and Pia Kukwa Foka. Hey, and yes, demonstrations are man for bayan or my mudia. And so now Menoka say there was a media house of Sokrana or money and this in Nam Urem. Akwasisa and this foot soldiers if we be more munim se kwa ya fa so yedo koko enkurasi fo bi no ma yesi party ya fe na NDC awuro ondom pem ya sisa won omo no koko da o ena ye nama bontene ena ye video ye produce videos de ba bonten say the Ghana cocoa farmer is okay with whatever is going on. The assembly yepa. Where it will take only obia sub you are drinking will be a come that it doesn't work. It will take only cocoa farmer not drinking your juma and obey defend it. Sadi we are a bangway a katanani edi guana cocoa for. Ade we na ekosono. Akuafo na omo adwa Enya MPP NDC semo. Every Ghanaian cocoa farmer piano. Sabri ameno kasei. Owa ahokyerem kese pa. Owa ahokyere kesiem. Because ebinuma di kan bobo sian. June July no mu 2025 hono. Amanfo cocoa akuafo. June July na yenti cocoa. Amanfo di kan ko bobosia because onim say afiso one te kura no yen ni 20 bucks. Aban so di kan ba be ka say obeto cocoa no at this price. Nti otimi kwaji bosia be say 2.5 bag price na dey agene 5 bags of cocoa. If any atwa menensi ho ene na amanfo ene wo cocoa kuafo so ye di on so fa so seriously. Enti cocoa kuani onim se no official ultimate 20 bags of cocoa no. June July num 2025 August eba September mu ansa wa sha asenya cocoa no ontumi ntrase abra onidi na onnom. Enti akuafo no di kan koje bosia efiri nkrofo binom ho ebi yesi 100% interest within maybe 6 months 4 months. Enti cocoa akuafo no omo deka bosia so de wokoba price na ye betwere ato ho se saa buo we na wo se wo mfa metua meka no saa buo no upewu untumi nte wo ho mfiri ho da se wontua. And imagine cocoa nibia. Wakwa kwachi bosia. Na wakase okay mama cocoa bag mienu ne fa esika. Cocoa bag ne toba could be at 3,100. And mama 2.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7,000 plus half bag, which is 17,000 here 1,600 or 1,605. Eh, the account na sakwa ye 18 na kwa say yeah na kwa say 7 na kwa say 8 point something 80 million and something of it cows. You can say 8,000 and plus. Our negana sikam. Enti ya calculate and a to say babetia 8,000, 16,000 or babetia because ye yen double 16,000 plus. And I actually to say a woman say a cocoa bag me no ne fa ho cocoa bag me no ne e fa ehusika. Now, so agreement ya ne say ubetia ne double. Sabosia na sa na omde akuafo. Na koko kuani akomode no. Odensa kosiso. Say okay. Ajiato. Na afina duru na oboshe a wode ahye minti. Me de agina so akwakoye agreement baabi. Na fa mesika mame. Na me nkotua amanfo me de wonka. Na me nyama somdue. Na me mfa mehia en na me wuram. Na me nyama dwuma. And also see boy, cocoa, no man, I can't say my Tony say, but men Tom Mount. But you tell me, Yepa, what's a man Tom Mount? But at the same time, I cocoa creanini compreni no. Meaning I will see my stomach any more quaba. Instead of saying, nka NDC a buying NDC, mrashebe jamu for. Ebeye humble, nanko mwananti ako. Kokwa kuya fono eso. Eni omwa kodi nkomo. Aka omwa kumatu omuyem. Apenya nsasem ni asempa kan chire won. Ama omwenye njinaso bi. Ajinaso akese, okay. Yati asiye. Yenti asiye. Yenye ni sei. Chire kwa yabe faso. Na munya an agreement no. The end this ya buying it to me and say wakofa akobi sene pitokono or otokono akwana ne sian yesi na ena wafa NDC we fo binom ene a soldier for ekita tuo na murem ena omo produce content creation product omo create content ankasa ede ba bonten be kan kire Ghana for say the cocoa farmers are d'accord with the price abane deba bra ayeno kuro sa videos na pitoku otokono waya ne se sesa bi okusi a fidi ache no na adi 2 days ansana yekohwe fidi no ono no namuram ena o create content e de be kire yen se Ghana cocoa akuafo eye d'accord with them otokono eti cocoa akuafo no omo kada won so omo abobosen a Canada won so no aye na omo de karo ebe den ena cocoa akua na ka kire so no ye d'accord emfa ho se nipa ne NDC ni o oyam pipini and every Ghana cocoa farmer piano. The nice form. Ghana cocoa farmer piano osu. Ghana cocoa farmer piano a discourage. Na oh dear. Some do a piano essere. And now who supposed to be. Who supposed to be Osajifo Fenise Vamohos Fenise Oyan this new. Me when you post to be an hour post to. I am one was is this can this be true? With them I'm for posting in chilo. Na yen to ado. And this in imua. And na ma bontene ka sembia bra nyanto wase na memfa nkyere wansa. Sesa asem ne ya ho. Aban no ni buo ani ni die emfa ma koko kuafo. Otriti koko akuafo se omo hu nhia. Enti ene ya me no kasai. Amanfo ni gidie ene pepa se omo beko na omo akwakoye dan akoye koko adwuma biem. Because asem ni see no. Abanfo no the agenda president no, the settings president no. When to me any diempo amfa nko koko akuafo no ho. Anyone anko din komo. An church wo ama omo adwene wo kwam bi so de nti aba ne sa de na omo beye ne daache. Maybe there is a plan to how to restore this situation. Yanya daje ankoma won. Etu omunam social media no mu a obeti na yese NDC for akofa video bi aba yesi koko akuafo se omo ye da call with the price. Enam sa asem na ye kan nti no ene koko akuafo bi no ahyase a omo koko asase no omo de magaramse fo so omo nse no omo mfa ntu garamse amanfo de omo koko fo no amma garamse fo so omo ntu. In fact akwa we chef no Sergeant for Oliver Baka Voma wo or say the rate at which we are going 10 years pa ade opposite 1 hour ago enyam pipi ni na account enyam pipi ni bi na account eyan this ni kase na o kan say the rate at which we are going we will lose 25% of cocoa farmlands by 2030. Galamseyers are destroying massive cocoa farms. And this in Eka. George Frimpome Mwakwaba. Assembly, a yan this in a bin a numa kase. And then, kwanya yafaswa, ye destroy cocoa farms. No? Within a shorter possible time, within 4 years. You bet me lose over 20%, 25%, quarter of the Ghana cocoa farms, no, you be losing na. I got them safe when a bay juma was. When ye pa, I didn't tear sad way, a fay and a turn into a serious case like this. This is because cocoa kuafono, they have lost confidence. Abano at this appointed one. Abayano adise college won. Abayana ama won nidie as people since the creation of Ghana. Omo contribute massively to the Ghana economy. Massively to the Ghana economy. It is obeya buying. Na uma omu on issue there now ye the oye say o sign huru won o sign create fake note fake information e the good system no apollo to the air just to avoid said the beya en kontompone na braba na mudi kire won in that time no e ma bonten se montumi ani so. Enti the aban we ye. We are getting to a point whereby amanfo omo ye koko adwuma enkrofo anka omo aye omo adwen se omo de omo sika e kwose koko adwuma mu they will withdraw na yen no nko I say aban we systematically or say Ghana for and found one in the way. I say and found any the way. John Mahama as a leader, his intention is to what? Is to destroy every Ghanaian. Cocoa farmer piano, John Mahama enenewo. Obi oya from Juma Bia, John Mahama enenewo. And yes, sabio, cocoa from Kwon. And now meno kasei. Cashew, a quiafo is soon. And now meno kasei. Nkrofo amudo bro, omusu. Na aban ba kope. Aban ba kope. Afibia wonkwa obeba de. Akwiafo na only one etwis, only one be ebe kontokwa. You come after farmers all the time. Prebi akwiafo na hu na mane wonsam. Ene kokwa akwiafo esu no. Ghana onwana wodo aburo nso esu ofabi. Wana wodo aburo esu no. Wana wodo cashew so womusu ewo fa fufrom. Adentia the price ayede to won no baye no. Enso ni emfata. Cashew farmers yati won price no so by 20%. Temiye pa. Enkrofo odo cashew ewo bono east ne bono west honom. Enkrofo wodo cashew yate won cashew price no yate so hwem 20% yate so. Adentia mahama meyi no. But bra ye campaign no. Papa when in Nkrofo was able to go around everywhere and tell people say if they come in power, they are going to make sure say even the cashew market will be regularized by the president. But enamo ba ban mo the producer price and amatete so. He ade o hanso we. Say papa we want I don't know who brought him. Ode yet my any kan konen kunkote kokwa akuafo no bi kakra ifura na yakwa aburofo no. Enti say the kokwa akuafo so ombebo ni dua because we nipa bone tie.
Atumo tinka jamu discover. Se scanner body a na mumie hu kakra aba no. Ni ekwaji esika. Se dem di kaka 10 kilo square na nansa me hospital scabi akokra manya no. 5 bags ni kwa dem nkan wasem. Enti esra aba no. Se ye nya brepa akuafo wa hwe ya. Da bi e bekọ nkoto dwan mu anase ye bekọ efom bia ye be buru nua ye be buru nua we so we disappoint here we di e homo say de obeka na etu obama no na wudi so ejese abani say den akuafo ya na emu oman ya yi oman amu oman ya nim dia mu nyina akwati ejajo akuafo we disappoint here ya dan ye bobo mpa ye menyankupo atuaka ye ba sa dia bosum ni enua na we efuomu no ata bru ya eti mahama mpani wasam a ya 3100 no fama yan odu ampa bia nkan a ye ni ni asem na mo mi ya 3100 de onko ade enche akadi ye ni ni asem ya da ma
Martina was in a minute and no one will pass ya, Sabi, when you send me the Ghana as you be friend to man. Ko, where's your tadia? Ko, where's friend to man? Where's your tadia? And we had the Ghana independent. Could be some crime and crumani David Anqua. I was young. The home ya, Coco, Timber. Not go to also name produces say. Tell him tell the term yes, 74 years. Being policy by my vote with the regime. Papa myself and for John Cromas or her. Of France, one comes a Pinoco store, drugstore. Milan for be a giant store near the passbook. I thought renting with Cocoa Pass leisure. Mami ya di fie o hin fie o. Entim koko di apo man. Afisi ase besi na. Na se musie na gold abade a mesi ochina ni wala bilekes ni koton. Na wo wo be ma no. Kwachini. Wo be ma kwachini. Since 14th January, million 44 million. You see it now. Nate wo. Nate. Because of crashing the Bisano. Now there were Sikanaba. Mostly by February 12th, Namunansi. Would you 25 for 30 says smart Yamami? Abba. Nate Abba. The Vias one here will be a Kua. Well to you. And was.
I was for the sort of Monsieur Jan. Na okofa otokono kwasi ampanyiniti akra so te he aso akonwa ko wurem akwase se wifo bi akodi wona che akotwitwa videos e de bekire yen se Ghana kokko akuafo se they agree with the cheating price John Mahama epese onfa onposu on the cocoa farmers uti asema papa ika oyo hino oyo hene I think he say Ohene wo Tachimai, Krobu, your friend Tachimai, and ye bono Tachimai, at the Eastern region Tachimai be. Osiono JB Danquanum Bresso. Oh, who be our 72 years when you sing Ghana and Ojina. I see in the history, bean seed, I say a tico so a bean seeder, a yachua dear cra. Now, dear Yanni say. Musi siri wana mubu on kwasiano. Na mwa science na media ni radio so ye de se motua kokko akuafo ka abranya nokre. And this for see o motua Ghana kokko akuafo ka. But the reality on the ground and they say Ghana kokko akuafo da susu, Ghana kokko akuafo sika kam, Ghana kokko akuafo producer price ye de promise o mo no. And this ya buying any the management of the Ghana Cocoa Board. And I'm lack of management skills in Tino. Price no. Everybody can afford. Now, and some no doso. And some no doso. My NTA asema kojo pon kroma so kae abro ne Ghana kokko akuafo koshia ya muntie
bra any ko bebre try ho ahia kokko akuafo any me ma menum ne me papa mo edom mo ene wo ase na ma me mo so mbe kaya be bosumini wo ba ena moto nsafra me ame ba e koshia wo kokko no mu wo ho na mo de mo asem to manim se me komra hye bedwam a me koka ho asem we are most of the make up baby and more. Yes, I no cry. I want to. I'm one of us said, we could do Betty and Camp our parliament. Yamidi could do your boy so no. Yankwan Kotlasi. We didn't say one want to say. Who did die? Mampeni ba parliament. If you are the Samuina Movie, then you go for the Grampo, Echo Channel. There's a woman who will call you that to almost to Opening back what for bear bags ahead. One pound book about 200,000 cities because of that decision. We had ambition. And then don't come. Ni na etu ye mpanimfo akukudam hotai ho motivi so ne ade se omumra na asem a mo kan se senia mo pese ye kan no sa de ye kan wana se ebi aka akira ye kan ya mama so ate na ye ba ne nuanum sentrefo bebre so ade achi se om so pese om betifi mu amanum se nhihye na ban no ayem sen na eko emam aban sisese kan watua Say no cry, na say no cry.
Mama ni
ya mumu bekano eno na ochina mo pa ni na traso ye ko parliament na ye hojuma enya mo na mo pa balma ya mo na mo sma
ya to ba mo
ya mumu kan ya mumu bekano ni ko ho a ye be ka kan mo re mo sa bo be nya bre mo
ona mo next time fa me bra
no ba metumi abom ni say me mpani mfo ya e ka ye wi ene beye if you're working
throw too much
na aka e parliament ye hye mo bo say sedi afe anamfie mi mu kura usika aka abem ye behwe ne aka ma de whatsapp
Yes, and Tisauti, we are Kojo Ponkroma engagement with the cocoa farmers. Mimi Ivan Sankama, the Mwakaba, Pamia to say. Now, as a Bibiachre say, and yen no credit that say, and this year buying a Piagana cocoa forward the wonka. On Pia wonka, Mesena Midi can't control at the beginning, no. And Crofo, we had me about modern, I'm making sure, say, all the media houses. All the media houses answer on by a publication about matters, I was so munyaf confirm every Jubilee house. Ferris Kwasiampanyini or Trofo or Usukwache and a dano. And to the media houses, they don't talk about matters here. I criticize it and this year buying. Omokasa a fan sema inflation at the form, dollar boat tiaba form. Sankwasi akeka no kwa na omoka ena me no kase brother and sister me say light e ho aye na e wo Ghana man but on ti say ye ka ho asem on de kuafo na mu wa hu de ye na nanom omo ye de wo na fam atete bone ene ye de omo fam na ebe ye onwo wa obe say mister dey asem na wo kai bra me say mahama ne na bai akuafo enti omobaye ene nkrofo omodo koko o nkrofo omodo aburo nso esu koko akuafo esu ofa no na sabio yenka ne say aburo omodo aburo so omoso omusufa na aburo ho asem no de ya wo mu ne say and this ya ban mu mpanfo binom atam sika kese twitwiri die akwa bro afiri man foforo so de abo man num temiye pa omo ankasa swaga ne sika akoto abro de abo man num makoto no wo other countries ya manfo ho omo de tractors produce abro no in the large quantity. Inti saburo ne bo wo fom. And omo akoto saburo no de abo man num. And the local farmer na or the sekan any we decide and a donna bruno. Onona bruno academ. Inti so person to mean tonwa I just saw tenebo no so. Now we are coming to reset agenda. We are coming to reset. We are coming to make Ghana better. And then they say, a common farmer, was saying, Kaoma when Nimra won so. Nanka Oma no sick and to any and nice so. Nanka importation as sonte. Nanka yentimin create employment to my who are my num no. A sound microphone and John Mahama and now banning and microphone any cronies. Omo targeti won. Or in the name of, we want people to say inflation is down. As inflation is down, now man for ni sika do mo bottom. Ah man do kwa kota ade ne bia. Say inflation e wo form no. Eso ene ne mfaso ene de wo he. E asem bisa. Enti aburofo, ai Ghana aburo akuafo ene cocoa. Sorry, can say maize dealers. Almost the asema babo. Tiyan kwene nkunkutim na.
Ekuafo a wo ho eye won ma omodo ebro na samre omonia bread and denden trese sese na ebro wo aba fom ma eka buburo e na ebu omukomu kane no na nka omutimi ton ebro bag ba 1200 sese ebo na ti aba fom aba bedru 380 cedis a omohwa omunya mfasodie bia emfemfiri mu omo trese emfie mienu atwa mu ebo ne ba na eba fom ama omani nyina tutu aka omonsem se na omode omonsem etuja
ahaye badu time district adwuma ye won ha ne se aburu an ye do nti ya hye da ate edwa ye ton ye nema odwa nu ene ye de nema dubadwom a ye nya tofo ye ombeton so a class ya modima ye no enye ene wo hia aburu a e wo soro kroma kwa by day e ye 70 cedis ti ye nema ba ye nya obi ama ne nto nema na begu ho nti ye ya de ne se ye sra ban omo ye se be ya ye benya tofo na omo be sai nema na kwa ama ye ene hia yititiriu afi nso ye wo programs bebre e wo jompa nyema na ye de ba ye nya ba bi mfangu suo to a na etogu so ama sei nipa bebre ayo mo adwen se afi o wo mpa o mo no bebre atagre se afi wei o mo che dan do bru because last year do ya boka afi wo nso san do ya san boka ti ye san ban se o mebo aye
abaye mfie mienu no yanya hawo e wo yadwuma yem aburo nto wo aburo kura na wo ba bi ade bakọ akoton ene obi ba de open woto no ene amene mu kese kura no aburo no aburo badge no ye 3.8 nwati kasika ene ni tutuo eye 70 cedis ebeka sen aburo ya nte ne buo so ana by then so eye 70 cedis ansa na wase ama pani no aduani sika enko wie no na odo aburo na wonya hwe ewom sesi a ebura egu ha nyina ya bura yeti ye bottom sika de toye ebi to 5.3 ebi to 5.4 and ebura ya ti so am na be do 3.8 ti ya dia ye togu ho ni nyina eka na aba ye pie krom so ye ti bi to kenke nkado kono ebi 5 cedis ebi 10 cedis but so ye bura de ti ani ye ti so ye nti bi hu de ekoso nti de ye ba apafo de atofo kura be ba ha kwa mi hu se be du so ye wa bura atofo de ma ye so de sisi ya so ya ade so de asa so ko fie ye ma so ko school ene ye to aduro enche bia na adosa be state ama ye nyina ya ba mabu because ye do ye begu nyina ye nyantoy esi de ye sa ko pa be si asa de akoshem am ya sa ko do foforo ti in fact ye sra ban se school fee di na wo ye no wo hia bro de ama school for de won to ni hwe badu se badu ebura o pa bia de fee the whole Ghana wo ba badu obenya bro di bi.
Yes, abusiafo se wo hu. Ebi besu biaso, ebi besu biaso. Ya benya ne chefa. Mahama is the hope. Abro fue, and I say abro kuafo. Wana woda abro. Techima ne na asefo ne bunu is nom ne na asefo mu ya ndisi fo mapa. The resetting agenda no so much for money no mon kama no ntumo the resetting agenda no most much for ni na na modune said there menko a dabi this is your part of the resetting when come man for abono person what to bro 5.5 at the back so babeton Nene, yes, he had on 3.5. She said, Waboka 2,200,000 Ghana cedi on each bag of maize. Because John Mahama say, Opese inflation mana form. Enti wati o mine sika ni bi akokra bruno in tons of maize from omo di machines na do abrowo ba bi fufuro na odi abegu o mine no at a cheaper price. And the local farmer now, ono no aban no to me man incentives. Ti said the omanya hodo no ma omo akuafo incentive mo mutimi to machines they do apro edi dua no bae no. O say omma wa kwanya ma wo do the market with adwuma awoye. Na mbom no obegu wo adwuma no the ohia ne say inflation ebeti aba form na ekom ebedi amanfo. Abrofo na esu cashew farmers nso omo ashase omo su dendende na yekoya na eba ene light auto prepaid ya endruba bia na asa ene water bill ba wuntumi nsom chese bibia ye bibia wo ho nurse fu esu teacher fu esu karamse ade aboso hey and drinking water common drinking water kurano ukoto kurana chese wait listen watch this and this new we are in this ni kesepa brother papa we ye nyina enim no radio XYZ ohene babo aba akwana odidi atem kika nsemfon de chempanfo ono nie and now say bottled water was 3 Ghana cedis under MPP but now NDC breso bottle of water under NDC government is 5 Ghana cedis. But you see inflation that from that is what is important. It is not my words. Mentegana minhuye. Nipa na oka asem no oyo muhu nipa e na oka se. Na na do abreso yesere inflation that say 14 or say 20 or say 50 no. Na open bottle of water utone 3 cedis. And now you see inflation about 3.3. Now you see about 3.3. Open so anom ewo manu mu a. Ya 2 cedis aka ho mana be 5 cedis. Enti wona wo hwe me aso ye NDC ni. Wona aso ye MPP ni ubu afu. Enti unkoto aba mfama MPP no. Ene kwan ene sofa. Obufu anim so bawi ado atre na nka hunu hu ye yes abroso faso no enye hwe kurampo na wosun afe ni ansa bibi bayi wani ma watene ya kakra beso wani ma wahu ne ya everyone obibia sofa in the system. Now, watch this. Ayareho. Asem na ye kase. Asem na ye kase. Papa we ye criminal or ye dangerous. Otina mashina ye video Ediama Ibrahim Mahama. And ye solely isolated video for Ibrahim Mahama. Men can't want someone there. Tomorrow I will try to give you details about who is Ibrahim Mahama. Now you heard never be say it never happened by fault, and I say it happened because it is organized. Now let me tell you something. Cocoa farmer in Techiman Nkran Kurum died for not getting 1,000 to buy a prescribed medication due to unpaid cocoa salaries. Temio Cocoa Krenina, what Tony Cocoa awie. What Tony Cocoa Amagana buying. Onigana buying a co in agreement. Or expect to say Pianacano. Yen Pianica, I'm a papana yare. Sika Yedeman is on Fanco Todd prescription. Yedeman is on Uncle Hospital, Uncle Pedro, and also Uncle Pharmacy, Uncle Pedro Tono. Sika or the Bekwakoto when you be, and I'm so papa na wu. papa no wawu. His Excellency John Delegate Dramani Mahama. Unti obi papa wawu kwa. Enye so ye kwadwofo. Enye so ye obi osode a oti dan mu o. Onye obi osode wa prepra wa hohoro ne ho ahwetwe ne ho no na ma abonte no. Oyo nipa wa bre ni moja ni. Nanso enam your mismanagement na reckless you can say you. What say na bra bo amana wu kwa. Now, do you think that God will forgive you? God will never forgive you. Enti papa no wu. Mahama administration. Adwuma poni omu yenti no. Obi papa wawu kwa. Wawu kwa. Obi papa o wawu kwa, wawu ko. Obi papa mesi waye dai wawu ko oko. Na yesi eno kwa tie electricity side and the light ho asem electricity bill say wo to credit say wo to prepaid say wo koso light. Hey, amanfo ewu listen.
3 days or 4 days finish. It's like Osembo. Shoo! If you put inside, shoo! It go. Yesterday I said I sleep. I don't get light from my house. My credit card I don't get money from my phone to buy the credit. Yesterday I sleep there.
How much do you used to buy before, and how long does it take you?
The first I used to buy 50 cedi. I go fit take 2 weeks before the credit finish. But this time I buy 100 cedis. 3 days, 4 days it finish.
Pajote ni yepa o. Omaino emu aye ten. Papa ne say the prepaid is like Usain Bolt. There's a prepaid, no. Auto credit no good, so ana neko asa. Akwakoto energy e was shop. Obi no auto 50 cedis for 5 days, then auto 100 days ya, and for 3 days. E ura ba omi aka yo kan ye. One to mano, Dr. Bawomiao, one to mano. Dr. can say, so be your president, obesi solar panels. So much say, your light bill no, a better perform by 50%. And because your food will say, and possible, and then what is happening? Light bo the bia na jump ko na nim and then mahama to light mun 38% emepemene in just 1 year 2 months of his administration. What to light mun 38% boom into resetting no and anyway yenkodi fufuo no and anyway Nene, a man phone to me keep their lives on. Now, dear Yana said, what talk, you know, could I say, oh, Baba, so light, no fear horror. Light, Rebessianji, you be caught doom so. You could doom so, I bessie and sonny beam no. Now, you are credit in Yana. Now, sans which now cost 0. You could buy. In fact, Ghana 4. Ya ton ye black and white ye color TV. Akofa black and white ya ore ayenhwe abesi yen so. Now,
Yentimi yentoshi. Yasika nyimeshi.
Mommy, then I was calling.
Yato enko yesa ni nyama ni yato. Na first ni na eyina ya 95. Say so mo dia ko 15 million. Ye wu yentimi bie.
aha. Everyone go here. Everyone go dance. Mahama go make you suffer every day and night. Mahama go make you cry every day and night. Obiesu. Accra market women are dying. NDC has increased government stores. Government stores rent from 950 Ghana per month to 1,500 Ghana. Well, Accra region, NDC, yay! Oyobodo. I mean, me digitalization. Oh, yeah, pen cry dokono and cry dokono ne fish. And cry dokono ne fish for no. Aye. Yo, what's up, man? What's up? Tell me, yeah. And kind of chronophone, Crofona, Dr. Baumi, Cassachero, and almost dabi, or Muntie. Mahama buy or say namo, don't kind of chrono, and a fish namo pe. And I say, Mopen Puntu, a man for see ye, and kind of chrono fish. These are the people I know. Mr. Delegate, I get the former. Look at how these guys are insensitive, clueless. And then, yato. Apart from so, Montoniema was stores a market. A man for a sofano. You're saying to one rent pay. Rent, no. You are saying to from 950 to 1,500. 550 plus just one time. 4.5 million. Titisikadadano. And they are tools at once. 5.5 million at once. Mama, how can you be clueless like that? How? And the craft also, the echo, ewo hono. Now, maybe not be full license to. I'm sorry, my beautiful license to make the question way, and they be me full license to their friend. Where is a one job, 3 shifts? We are all employed. What's the way? Where is the one job, 3 shifts? I find it. The one job, 3 shifts, no. I will have fun. Amount for say they are what? Unemployed. They need jobs to do. Promising, I'm promising. It has come to time to answer to those promises. And some now more in opposition just for power. It is time to answer them. And the amount for say, Jumana mo promise you, they are waiting for. People are not lazy. People are not lazy. And this anete there, Jumano, ye jedra because come at the amount for. I was not to me fret. Now watch the wording. I have Rush Media GH on YouTube. Wait to me after Sabri. Now watch the wording. Come. Eddie actually at T4. Now look, NDC has successfully cancelled the posting of trained teachers for the first time in the history of Ghana. State of the Nation address. Well, and I was not to know training teachers, no. Uko training college na we are na ya post 2 and they wako ayi school bim wako ye national service bi na ye boss na ya pia okaka kranga kra na wo take experience on how to be a teacher. nkrofo we buy no they have been able to cancel it ene enye adwuma biem omotumi cancel no enye adwuma biem.
Hello.
Chama it is saying. Hello. Chama it is saying. But otimenka.
Hello.
Otimenka. Chama.
Hello.
But otimenka. Hello. Yankopo na dom ya ho ye pa me ya. Ah, cool. Yeah.
No, on share Dr. Baomiaso.
Amen.
Na appointment so on one by.
Amen.
So na ko banana san na and I came out so. In China that me hone that and so in my pa oh yeah. Ko bi chairman no abeboy me. Na sem no waka ni nyina say ni pa oh. Kadie da ho a yempo ahotra akuafo FM no.
Me pacho. Wo radio no betimi amana akofo.
Okay. Kadie da ho ahotra pacho this is what
yes is the tone kapa ye tio.
And the echo so no Ghana fo nyina ehu Dr. Baomiane so kai nyina solar system o kai so be ye ano omo twetwe no nyina nka so no ba ya o ba na so no ba ya nka electricity no nka ne bo baba fo
nka ne bo baba fo kura
anado school fo aduane ano to omo to mo na ka bro e ya fo no mo mo bro ne mo no nka so ba to ni la ko na ka omo de mam
yes yes
mo Koko fo so that no hand and this is we am ho catch am so ba mam 7,000 is 6,500 and then 3,624 no we to ai this is mo sufre na nado said na nado 3,000 wa na mo emfa mama anti the omo ho no hello
aja meton kapa yeti o
hello
yeton kapa why yeti o pa
and the 3,000 wa no fa say mo pe 3,000 wa no as 3,000 what your mama and so mo sabi try to ewure mo ka kire mo say omo twes wo diskatum ade abramo kodo ponko ma e ho no ofiri oba ye obeka kire mo no say mo nyina no ko pa na bono kora antimedia de be kan say e so ye di so nyansa so ho no mo hu say nipa no Dr. Baomiane ka kire mo say media me be mo de me ba ti ma anye bibi yi a mesa ba e ba na anye ni yi a so mo to ma me bio na de mo to ma ne de mo last chance ni oba na wan timi anye bibi yi a wan timi ma ho on timi ma mo nche bio me ka bibi nchire mo o kan na mo ka say doctor odi agro na so o kan nyina no kre no kan ye aso nipa aso odin ti nipa ntie se bi bio mpanimfo attitude mo ntie ene se ho kire obi ho na ba e ko school aso school ba ko to school fees na kura se akwa na ka fie ana ye nua no kwala nketware nurse fo no teacher fo yi bi na nado e ba ye allowance se na otu ya de mamo mo se yaji alawa no anso ye nto aba no ene mo ne ene asayi nipa 300 adi ai so metina fie mo ya dwuma 13 months ye ntua moka ene asa de mo ba wasa betina fie na we ne small friends ya ade ne se dachi no abato du ho na so nkoto na beto ma ndc a e mo masem ye me ka etwa to ne se se sima ye kan nyina na ye MPP fo no so esi ya so fie yi enipa ne bi wo mu a aden lo ekuta wo mo no o mo sa amadwene o se kan di sabi ye mo obi din die nanso ene ma o ye aye bo na chinu ano wo hu be mistake ya we empenifo ne bi wo MPP mu a sela no sa suban no ekuta wo mo registration ye so mo nye yi ebi di busu na ko go mo fie ye no mo akasa mo ye dey o mo ye de o mo pe
okay
enti ase wa no so ya mo so mutimi ka ho na MPP fo no mo ye mu no ebinim a o mo so wo mu asa suban o mo se sa ye no ese ye ka ho asem ebi se mpanifo se adwene ebe se ya efreniti ye ni aye mu no enipa ne bi wo mu a still ara o mo se sa o mo suban a mo pese party no ebe nyanka bo mu na party no so ebe kore ni nti ye ka ebi ho ya ka ya na mo so mo tie ye na mo so mo ho say papa ya akofa e no we ni interview o so ba oni obi atem o kana sem o ji ni tun na to mano a wato amana anyama ni bi ho no a esi ye ni ankasa ye fie no aye MPP no ye nso ye hwe na nyama bi ya nye wo mu no ye yi firim ye nya wo so kasa kire ye ne sa betumi aboa ye say abonten so de nkwa na se de be ka de a ifi ho so no anyama ni bi ho no a enye di kakra bi so metumi aka na nyame ka ho na nyame tie ehwe oso na tie fu a wo ba ye nyina no so ye da wo nyina se setem bia beba bia de sampa beba ye no eso etumi tie ne ye de tie kutu dwom nyame nhyira no mo ho bai da se bebre
me da so ase bra pan ni nyame kan so ho no mo so ho bai yewia Anthony ena yete nka abusia ye koya nim na yasen fa next caller ye ma me Monica nso a friend ye mfro no so na yintie no Mami Monica ete saying Mama ete saying
Yesu adumo
ye da Nyankopon ase ye mo akwaba
Yamo na bushafo ni nyina ho te se.
Obia ho ye mami obia ho ye pa
Master me kai ita. Michia chairman Kokofu. Michia mpapa Kokofu. Medana se enen chairman Kokofu. Nen toa obo. Andra Enra my 70 ama
Pacho me tu ye tu ni watch okay
Nano utotomo anything kunyindie emfa abotele enye nkamumu so the yeko election na de abotele ne nkamumu aye bia etwam na mawie ni meba kuku nsami so Ghana for mekai say yeto abawie ye last time wo video bia eda ayi YouTube ni ayi nyina misu ya se obia onye mare wo se mobrofo enyanka na kufu ado papai edeni wiase oba ne bla obo ye nyina la ato so de ato ama Ghana for enyanka emobrofo ayisia papai kwaya papai fa so tu koko ebi sida papai di obedi mpo osimi nidio mechine kom edi atua free education mechine kom edi atu koko mechine kom edi aboa nyanka wenyina tumi anye Ghana for fe Ghana for tumi ayi bonu aye pa kese miente se doctor se muntu aba mam na mesisi solar ama electricity bo akofam ama Ghana for tumi antie nsenwe bia se yakwa akofa John Mahama John Delegate John Kodiawuo John Cronfo adina ba se omla mekumo ene de ne mo ka ene mo ye san kofa ene se na kufu adu gina na ba o mi gina ha ene mbe tumnika amakwa yom Ghana for aden Ghana for aden Ghana for aden Eshisha MPP bano beshisha Ghana de krono ekodru baabi ankunimdie ba ne makofa NDC fo no mo bedwiri aden ti Ghana for nti sesaye pa ni mumu Ghana for nti adwene pa bi ni mutim nanu abawe pa Ghana for mukoto ye ediem pa ne ba mutim ediem chichiri ye nkwa ne ye chichiri mo enti amutim ko ye saade we Ghana for ye mo so mo ani atichem bibia wo wiase kuro bia Ghana for fi so mo ani atichem kuro no sofo but wiase jimi pa sebi mprebiasa Ghana for ne ye jimi ade Ghana ade amotimi amagana pa hwe bebia na kufa hwe niema pa papa wei edigu fam onne ba womia kanne kan fie mienu nie no ka yakoye ni adai South Africa ha yeti omunni police ayo house o police need the shaki soldier need the shaki she police house ana na kufa di sima a police for Ghana she asoja for kwaya odi omo afaso because say ye to abana me de aye sima dwuma mu ho na me yi na na kufa do niema waye me say obia wo station wo say ai enti Ghana ni say ai obia nwanwa Aden yenya muden edie ne yemfa nye endi Ghana for wo Ghana ansa na mo atene ne bia ane koko for she eno nipa kro se kabi ne wakoje ato so a obeyede atuaka no yeni ayomfuko akuo obeyede atuaka ti rasta me de eja kakra meka sese mawie Ghana for no kakra meka eye MPP ya nkasa ye ho mesre obia sorry position obia sorry position sabre as a delegate the money to firm amoso champagne for asabi omunkoye atamfo emma minia be ma baumia obia odina hoden ene ni nyansa ebe boa baumia amana bapawa pesa muto aba ede man monfa ahofe emfa tentene kese ene school ene nyansa dodo enkoto aba obi enko school so betimi aye adwuma na amonto aba no man amun hwani pa ofra na obefa se chairman kokofu papa wei ne wadanse a metimi adi ni kakra ama nipa nyina hu kokofu ni se media tama me join MPP a papa wei bantama Kumase papa we ye dwuma obaye no wo hode bua mampanyiri kufo time enti sa ayi meeting nka ewo ferry ayi so a so obe secretary na me friend me nya ne number wo papa na de ba kwa ya me fe wo wiase ne se papa we nkyere ne ho obuni pa bia wiase papa friend na jo obefa wo friend na wia obefa wo do friend na se wan fa message to nachi any 2 minutes na papa ya answer wo message empanyimfo sei ne ye promo wo pet no enyo omo a ofro omo mfa enyo omo a wo promo aka asama kire omo nte enyo omo mu nipa se nipa ye nipa enyo omo a pet ne kochima omo ntumi nka omo akọji sika ahụchire ama na akọji obi sika nipa na ye bone kro omo ntumi nka kokofu de on show bi ase obi hwe no obi mo ne bosia obi ma ne sika enti kwan bia so obetumi agina se kwanten kro na waye na adwuma enti mesre delegate muntu aba no efa ma chairman kokofu ewo secretary live na chairman wuntumi de no nso no mo fa ma chairman wuntu me da se last
me da so se pa mama ya mi shira won so don kan ho bye bye ya mama Monica ena yetene ka busu am phone last na to busu to info na wa shawadwe Raz Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook abusu Facebook channel no here say ebe kona ni mukakra followers no from Timesam Samamwa na into me with the followership no na yentumi nko live on show Facebook me na wasepa enobre meso se bo madre na like video no mama comment and let me read your comment for you. Subscribe to the channel and become one of the family members of Raz Media. Yeah. Yanto aso na memfa nche kakrama atiefo mi even san kama metia ye pa George Frempom metia pa we suma sama ni metia charu kwaku apia ai fratero come stai o girlfriend bi ofio itari ni wa fam wa yiri bi ofio itari ni e o hana me kai itari kasa na otime seresa yo fratero yeah. What is all sitting right, you know? I said, me flat. I said, me kai teri kasara me sheda can it said your menti teri kasara. What you munti me ka so mo so besere. Fratero, yeah. What is all sitting right, you know? Yeah, sebo. Jaru, yeah. Mon frère, ça va bien. Jaru me chia ye panana pay kwabena me chia nana akuya Monica me chia Richard me chia ye was in fact NDC party has destroyed all cocoa farmers plan. Now can the whole party call NDC the same Ghanaian like that? It is not acceptable. We also enter the Mwakaba Pai that was no presa so na debie anto also me that was pa enobre. Abushambe de mubesi ana ochen yankopon ya adoma. If the Juma bar last hour, you have a life. Here, the more beche nkomo kra afa. Yes, as I always say, it is always possible, and it is possible for Dr. Bawumia to be the president of the Republic in 2028/2029. Meeting any Mr. Mafo. When it comes to voting for the chairmanship and the secretariat, Abusia, there is only one man. Chairman Kokofu and the former MP for Bantama constituency, the former CEO of APA, the former KMA Financial Administrator Committee Chairman, the former Bantama Electoral Area Coordinator himself, the police station agent for Bantama, and the chairman of Bantama, Che Oyebibia, Papa we and American Fono, and an amount for the elections, sir. Eda yenim ewo yefim MPP amanyo konum. Say Drew the chairmanship program position there. There is no other one that can handle that position better and well than Chairman Kokofu. Mede wobɛsi ana Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ atom na ɔkyena ahoɔden ɛwɔ hɔ. Na metumi kɔ adwuma na mɛsan ba 8 o'clock na amanfoɔ egu so ɛyɛ ade a mɛtwɛn. So bia bɛwie ne deɛ. Na last hour another bombshell abrɛw ɛwɔ fie wɔ mu. Ɛha ɛyɛ Ras Media GH. Mɛsɛ sɛ subscribe. Fa nsa si adɔma no so. Mesrɛw subscription na asɛm no. Momenka ne yɛ abusuamfoɔ. Mesrɛw sɛ wa subscribe a you have to subscribe once. I can't meet me who say enipa ne binom subscribe. But almost say unsubscribe. Me investigation or as a say. So me can say if you have not subscribed, subscriber, obi oho na wa subscribe dada. Not the nsa ko si subscribe no so. But the woman say, baby I subscribe no. So subscribe we are bottom na baba ye unsubscribe. It is also on nsa ko si so a that's automatically when you want free Ras Media community no. It message wa say open say unsubscribe brebia na di kai hwe na hu say wonye already subscribe to the channel. Said the beya won't koyi wo ho free the family no. Bida mo nyina ase ene mo bre. It message say subscribe if you have not subscribed. Found Safian see Adoma no so nyam fancy so. Said the beya brebia me ba life wa. Open your notification papa bi. Say ma ba na onso ne me abeche dwumadi no. Afa. Edin ene Mr. Mafwa Ras Media GH. Akra mo nyina until we meet again. Adios.